Products is a Stocking Armstrong Pump and Parts Distributor. Have you been looking for a quality pump to fit your application? Internationally recognized for their design quality, Armstrong Pumps is a leader in the fluid flow equipment industry. Innovators in engineering and manufacturing of pumps and parts, Armstrong Pumps operates in 7 manufacturing facilities across 3 continents. Pump Products offers a wide variety of Armstrong Pumps for sale, including circulator pumps, recirculation pumps. We also stock a full line of Armstrong A controls, A flanges, A motors, and A repair parts. Browse our Armstrong Pump catalog, where you'll find the most important and up-to-date information on Armstrong products, including Armstrong pump curves, specifications, model numbers, part numbers, brochures, instruction manuals, and product images. Pump Products is a leading Armstrong online pump dealer servicing customers nationwide. Our online store and huge inventory levels allow you to buy Armstrong pumps direct from us and have them delivered to your doorstep. Inspector Pumphead and his team of application engineers are standing by to answer questions regarding pump and pump part selections and can assist in pump sizing, troubleshooting, and other pump-related issues. Need it now? We offer fast shipping, with most orders being processed and shipped the same day at the lowest prices anywhere. Pump Products, your direct connection to Armstrong Pumps and Parts. Visit us at pumpproducts.com or call our toll-free number today, 1-800-429-0800.